I always say Jane's program was a lifesaver for me. I was in a lot of pain, chronic pain, and her program taught me how to get through all that. And now I'm back to living a full life again. I am so grateful for this program. Hi, my name is Karen Collins, and I live in New Hampshire, and I am currently retired. This pain that I developed prior to meeting Jane, some of the things that I was doing wasn't helping. I knew that she was the right person for me. She's very intelligent, she's very attentive to your needs, and I had great success. She didn't have to persuade me to join Pain Free because I knew I had found the right person. I learned so many tools to help me to get through the pain that I was having. I'm amazed at how she is able to help each person, give them the attention, the answers that they're looking for. She's always on task and she's sensitive to people. You can tell that she's a teacher. She makes you feel like what you need is the most important thing that day. Well, what happened for me was I had, or I still have, osteoarthritis, and I didn't realize it was due to inflammation. I talk about her a lot with my family members and my friends. I feel like she saved my life. She gave me a better quality of life, her program, and I would encourage someone to give it a try. When the student is ready, the teacher will appear. Like, I was just very lucky to come across her program, and I would highly recommend it.